Dear friends, we are in an urgent need of your help. The little engines have lost their colors. Let's help them become colorful again. Perhaps Thomas might feel comfortable with purple? Now, I don't think purple is the right color for Thomas. Maybe we can color Thomas in green? You know, Thomas used to be green back in the time, but now he definitely needs some other color. Let's now take blue. Excellent! Blue is just perfect for Thomas. Great! Now, Thomas can go on carrying out his important task. This cargo is being waited for to build a new bridge. And now, let's help Percy to get his color back. What about trying pink? I don't think Percy is going to like pink. Do you think orange will suit Percy? Ha! That's an interesting idea, but no. Orange does not suit for Percy. Oh, it's good you gave me some help. Green. Green is just the correct one for Percy. Wonderful! Good job, guys! Now, Percy can go get the coal that he was asked to transport. Coal is needed to power all the steam engines. And now, James also needs to be colored. Should we try yellow? I guess yellow is not really for James. And what if we go with blue color? The one that Thomas has? No, James will definitely not want to be blue. Red. This is the most appropriate color for James. James again has got his favorite red color back, and now he can continue his very important and helpful job. Thank you so much, my dearest kids. Thanks to you, the engines are colored back into their native colors. Look, my friends, Thomas is carrying something unusual. Oh, and here's Diesel. I wonder what he has in mind this time. He has changed the railroad switch at the crossroads. Thomas, be careful! Oh, the cargo has gone to pieces all over the playground. What a presser this Diesel is! Shame on you, Diesel! Now Thomas needs to collect all pieces of the cargo together, and this is not going to be easy for him. Oh, look! Thomas has found something. This is letter Y. Excellent! Now Thomas needs to collect all the other letters. And it seems like Thomas is not gonna make it himself, and he will need some help from his friends. Percy, Rosie, and James have rushed to the search of the letters. Percy was very carefully looking around, and eventually he has found something interesting. Wow! This is letter N. Good job, Percy! And now, let's check how Rosie is doing over here. Rosie was also not wasting her time and found one more letter. This is letter F. Perfect! Well done, Rosie! And here's James. It took him quite a while to find something, and he has almost lost the hope. But look, up there, there's a letter at the rotating scoop. This is letter L. Good job, James! The engine friends came up to Thomas and started offloading their findings. Thomas has thanked all of his friends, but just then he has realized that there are only 4 letters. It means one letter is missing. And here flies Harold to help our friends. He can see much better from the sky. And almost right away, Harold has spotted the last letter that was lying on the elevated lift on the side of Owen. This is letter N. One more to our collection. Awesome! Now it's time to make up a word. F, L, Y, N, Flynn. And here he is himself, Fiery Flynn the fire engine. Look, here's Thomas. And this means today we're gonna have a lot of adventures. Hi, Percy! Thomas saw his friend. Why are you so sad? I have run out of coal, Percy said sadly. That's not a problem. I will bring you some coal, Thomas exclaimed and dashed away. Oh, there's a lowered barrier bar, and it doesn't open? What are we supposed to do? You see, there's a geometric shape on the bar. It means we need to find a similar one. Alright, let's take this one. Does it look like it? Yes, it is called triangle. Oh, look, the bar is opening. We did everything right. Now Thomas can continue riding. And here's another bar, and it doesn't open too. Well, at least we know what to do this time. Which of these figures look like the shape on the bar? This one, exactly. This shape is called circle. Perfect! The bar has opened and the road is clear. Go ahead, Thomas! And here's the coal station and one more barrier bar. We need to help Thomas again and find an accessory figure. Excellent! Here it is. This is called Pentagon. Look, there's some figure on the loading station too. Let's find a similar figure to it as well. It is called Square. Great! The coal is loaded into the rail car. And now we can go to Percy that's waiting for Thomas with the coal. What? One more berry bar? We need to find an accessory figure. This is called rectangular. And this is the correct answer. Good job, kids! Percy, I've brought you some coal! Exclaimed Thomas. There were a lot of obstacles, but with the help of my friends, I succeeded! Thank you, my friends! You have helped me very much! Thanked Percy. We had a great game today. We helped our favorite engines and learned some new geometric shapes. Subscribe to our channel, put likes and share this wonderful video with your friends. Goodbye!